Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I have my delicious coffee with me. I just finished cleaning the house and getting ready for our road trip. I'm super excited. Ethan is napping. I'm waiting for my husband to get home and pack up his things, and then we're leaving. I ended up keeping the kids home from school today just because I just didn't feel like rushing around and then like interrupting Ethan's nap. He's been so moody the last few days. Let me know if you guys have a 2-year-old and if they're having some serious mood swings recently, because he has just been a little terror. So I just don't want him to be really crabby when we go on the road trip. So I decided to keep the kids home. That way I don't have to mess up his nap time and possibly have him in a bad mood for the road trip. So the kids played hooky today. They were super excited to stay home, but I just thought I would share with you guys our road trip and our trip to Legoland as much as I possibly can. I don't know if my friends are gonna wanna be recorded, so I'm just going to record what I can, and I wanted to share it with you guys. But if you are new here, my name is Ashley. I am a stay-at-home mom to 4. And on this channel, I do tons of mommy content, homemaking, pretty much anything to do with being a stay-at-home mom. I love sharing little bits of cleaning motivation, just my daily life. Jinxie is trying to get my whipped cream. But if that is content you're into, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. But let's get this day started. Who's ready for a road trip? Woo! Daddy's excited. Pumped. He's so excited. Are you hungry?
Ethan's like smiling and everything. He's like,
no, don't you have it?
Yeah.
You ready to eat, baby?
Ethan, get out. Stay ready. I'm ready. Show me that smile, Ethan. Go.
Stop and get some dinner.
Mom, Ethan's little face is so cute. Mommy sits here.
Oh, you designated spots?
I had to.
They make us have to stand like this the whole freaking sit like this the whole freaking day.
Uh-huh.
It's good.
No, it is
No.
College ready. That's what they say.
Stop tipping them.
Mom.
Just made it to the Airbnb. I know.
We should like this house.
Oh, this is the master.
This is big.
Whoa.
This is so big.
It's so big, huh?
This is a milkshake. Ethan thinks it's big.
Austin got it when we first walked in. He said, "Why didn't we buy this house?"
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I don't said that.
Yeah, you did.
No. You said
Oh, this
that.
is like a cinema room? Hey. Got a projector.
It's gonna be my room.
Well, y'all are sharing rooms.
Oh yeah,
so.
we are. But she said
Oh, they have a bath?
Yeah,
All the rooms?
have like a bathroom with a shower.
Are you serious? The Airbnb was so beautiful. It was so much prettier in person than it was online. and it was so much space. There was 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, which was perfect because, like I said, there was 6 kids, 4 adults, so it was perfect. We love the house. We would love to go back again when it's warm outside so we could actually use the pool that they had there. They had a gorgeous pool set up in a patio where like you could barbecue out there, so we would love to come back and visit the house again, maybe in the summertime. It was so much fun. The kids were running around picking their bedrooms, and it was just the perfect space. They were super excited to finally be there and to stretch their legs. We made pretty good timing. We did stop, like you saw. We stopped and had dinner together. We met halfway at a barbecue place, and it was super delicious. And then that night we just played some card games, drank a bit, stayed up way too late, and then Ethan woke up super early the next day, of course. Did you wake up early?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, you did. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited to go to Legoland today?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun.
Hi.
Hi.
Monkey. Don't come in that room. People sleep.
Yeah, don't wake anybody up, okay? So, I should have brought milk or something because I have to drink black coffee with just sugar. Not very good. Hey guys, it's now Saturday. We just went to Walmart to get some food, and then we stopped at McDonald's and got our like thousands of McGriddles so we can go home and eat some breakfast and then head off to Legoland. We stayed up super late last night. I don't think we went to bed until like 2:30, 3 o'clock. So yeah, it was a late night, and Ethan was up by like 6 o'clock. Thankfully, he went back to sleep in our bed for like an hour, and then we got up at 7 and then went to Walmart. And so now it's already 10 o'clock. So we're gonna go home and eat and then head off to Legoland. But the kids are super excited. We can't wait to go. We'll definitely get some clips when we get there. Austin, say hi.
I don't know how to wave.
Thank you. You too. Oh wow, too bad.
That's a lot.
We just got all our McDonald's. We ordered like 15 hash browns, 12 McGriddles, pancakes, like we got it all. Ethan got these super cute like little rabbits from Walmart. Show them your rabbits, baby. Oh, they're so adorable. So we ended up going to Walmart to get Adrian her like birthday gift and stuff from my best friend who's here with us. So we went to Walmart to get her that plus all the food and stuff. But just got our food. She ran into McDonald's to grab some like picante sauce, and then whoa, and then we're heading back to the house and hopefully get to Legoland. I did have to pick a time to pick up the tickets, or like you had to pick a time when I bought the tickets, so I'm hoping we didn't have to pick them up specifically at that time because I picked 10, but hopefully it doesn't matter. They weren't specific on their website, so it better not matter. But we did get tickets for Legoland and the aquarium, and I'm surprised that it's in the mall. Like, I didn't know it was in the mall. I thought it was like a big place, so interested to see what it's going to be like. This house was so nice. The parking was like behind the house in this alley, and it had like a private gate that you had to open up to get inside. So I wanted to show you guys like how you would get to the back to the little like parking area. It was really nice. Okay, you want to sing? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adrian. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yep, now open your gift.
It's so big.
Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise.
Adrian loved all of her gifts, and after we got done opening her gifts and eating breakfast, we were finally off to Legoland. We probably got there right before noon, so it wasn't too late, and we were so ready to have some fun. The kids were super excited to finally get there. We were going to do Legoland first, and then we also had tickets for Sea Life, which is their aquarium there as well, which was like right across from it. It was so nice how it was set up. It was a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Once I found out it was in the mall, I was thinking it was going to be small, but Legoland actually had a lot to do. They had some indoor rides, which we went on. They also had like a 3D show that we went to. It was so cool. Ethan, he was, you know, surprisingly keeping his glasses on for most of the 3D movie, but whenever he would take them off and then put them back on, I think he finally realized that he, you know, was seeing 3D, and he was trying to reach for the stuff, and it was just super cute. That was the little indoor roller coaster that we rode on. That was a lot of fun.
They will be together. Ooh. And one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know.
Oh, wow. That is cool. That is so cool. Ethan, what are you doing?
Only want you.
I was seriously blown away by all of these things that they created using Legos. They were huge, and they had some of them where you could press the button and they were interactive. I was so blown away. Like, I couldn't believe what they were able to create with the Legos. It was really awesome to see.
'Cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing.
Are you having fun at Legoland? Yeah.
They're singing their love song.
Wait for them to do
And they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
This was the last little ride in Legoland. We were waiting in line probably for about 20 minutes or so, but it was so cute. You rode in like this little electric car thing, and you had a gun, and you had to try to shoot all of the bad Lego guys. Ethan loved it. He was having so much fun shooting all of them. But now we're off to Sea Life.
The roads that lay open are many, when the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel.
Ethan was so fascinated. It was so cute, but once he discovered that like if he tapped the glass the fish would like, you know, swim away really fast. He kept smacking the glass and I had to keep telling him to stop because he was so great. He literally would scream and like slap the glass and I'm like, oh my gosh, don't do that. But the kids, as you see right here, they have little stamp stations and they get these little booklets when you first walk in and you have to collect all of the stamps, and so they were super excited to get their stamp at each little station.
This morning house so clear a light.
Ethan, no, don't do that.
Hi.
Aww.
Hi.
Yeah, don't hit the glass, okay?
Bye. Bye.
Get in there. Go in there. He's probably not tall enough to see, huh? Ethan! Oh, wow. Anna, look at the big starfish on the ground.
He's looking at us. Look, his eyes looking right at us.
Whoa.
Cool, huh?
This was my favorite part of the aquarium, where you could walk underneath and the fish and the sharks were literally 360 all around you. They were under your feet, they were over you. It was so cool. And then the jellyfish, this is what I come to the aquarium for. I am obsessed with jellyfish. If we could ever get a really nice aquarium in our house, I would want to get it filled with jellyfish. I'm just so fascinated by them. I love the way they look, especially with like the light shining on them. These fish were really cool. They had like glow in the dark eyes. I think they were called like skeleton fish. They were really awesome. But after we got done at the aquarium, we saw that they had a rainforest cafe in the mall. I believe the mall was called Grapevine Mall. And so we got in line for that. It was a 2-hour wait, but I've always wanted to eat at one. I never have before. So I was super excited. We just walked around and shopped for a bit and waited for our, you know, turn to go into the Rainforest Cafe. And it was just so much fun. The kids loved it. They had like cool thunderstorms and stuff. Ethan was so fascinated by there.
Time to borrow today.
Ethan!
It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today.
It's your birthday. You hold 9 fingers up real high. Alright, I'm gonna let all my friends know it's your birthday.
Surprise!
Hey, you're here turning 9 years old. Give her a round of applause!
Woo!
So right in camera, give me some tiger claws.
Tiger claws.
Right here.
Rah!
Happy birthday to you. Make some cash away with you. Hope you take much of your day. Happy birthday, Rainbow Subway.
Ethan.
Adrian, you playing with your new Polly Pocket?
Yeah.
Come with a lot of pieces?
Yeah.
Oh, a little burrito. We are, yeah. We are just getting back from Legoland, and then we walked around in the mall for a couple hours waiting for the Rainforest Cafe to open up, or our booking or whatever. We had like a 2-hour wait, so we waited for that, and it was super nice. We had so much fun. I know, me too. I need a nap. It was so much fun. The kids had a blast, but we are just now winding down, just hanging out for a bit. The kids are playing with their toys. Hopefully going to get Ethan to bed at a decent time tonight. Last night he probably went to bed at like, I don't know, 11 or something. So Definitely need to lay him down, but he did take a super long nap at the mall. Thank goodness. It was probably almost a 2-hour nap, so that helped, but definitely gotta get him to bed on time. But it was so much fun. The kids had a blast. I was surprised that it was attached to the mall, but it was still really cool, and the aquarium was awesome. That was probably all of our like favorite thing was the aquarium. So say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think it's in the it's in one of the tan bags. It should be in one of the tan bags, either that one or the other one. Whoa, careful. But they ended up singing Adrian happy birthday. Adrian, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me.
You too? She's upstairs hiding in the room.
Me.
But I will probably catch up with you guys tomorrow morning. Hey guys, it is Sunday morning. We are all getting ready to head out. We're just kind of cleaning up the Airbnb a bit so we don't leave it a hot mess. Kids are just kind of running around. Took a shower. I feel so tired. Ethan woke up at like 5 in the morning and was up for like 2 hours tossing and turning. So I'm sleepy, but we had so much fun. At least the kids had a really good time. They're sad to go home, but we had so much fun. We definitely want to come back again, check out some other stuff there is to do here in Dallas because it was just so nice. Yeah, did you have fun? Yeah. You ready to eat? He's hungry. He keeps saying eat, so. And today the time changed too, so at least we have an extra hour to get ourselves together. Hi, you ready to head back home?
Yeah.
Yeah, you ready to go home? We've been sitting in traffic for almost 2 hours now. Must be like a major accident. We're finally getting closer to where the accident actually is, but we were supposed to be getting home at 3:15. Now we're getting home at like 6. If we even get past the accident, I don't even know. We've been sitting here for so long. Thank goodness we just got gas like a little bit before the accident, so because we were getting close to empty, so that's one good thing. But the kids are starting to get antsy sitting in the car, but we are about 2.5 hours away from home. Hopefully we'll start moving soon. We are finally back home. It is like almost 7. I had to go get Yoda and everything, so we're finally home. The accident was so bad. We did end up passing it. It was like semi trucks that were flipped over, and it was awful. But hopefully everyone was okay in that accident. I have no idea. Like, it was still super backed up. I ended up having to drive over the median to get out of there because we waited 2 hours and it was still like no movement. So it was bad. But we're home. I made smoothies for dinner because we have been eating nothing but fast food and like junk snacks. My stomach feels so bad. Like, it just feels like messed up just from eating so much junk food, and I'm just not used to it. So I wanted something healthy for dinner. So we're all having a smoothie. The girls have taken their baths. I am just about to give the boys a bath to get them all ready for school. It feels so weird that it's 6:45 and it feels so much later because of the time change, but thankfully it is 6:45, so I still have time to get them ready and for bed. I usually lay Ethan down at 7:30 and then I get the rest of them in bed between 8 and 8:30. So we're gonna go do all of that. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing our trip to Legoland and our road trip and all of that. It was so much fun. We had such a blast. Me and my best friend were just saying like, we have to do that again. It was just so much fun and so nice to do something different and just get all the kids together. So it was awesome. Definitely want to go back to Dallas area and like go check out some other stuff that they have. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really does support my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I really hope you consider hitting that subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. I do upload tons of motherhood content like vlogs, shop with me recipes, so much more. So I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family, and I do upload every 3 days. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!